going on, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, man. It's your boy G Legacy. I got this 2011 Dodge Journey here, and I'm having issues with the backup camera. So basically, what's going on here is when I put the let's put it on auxiliary. When I put it in reverse, this is all I would get on the screen. Checking entire surrounding, and it will be black. So I've done some research, and also the guy that I bought the car from, he told me that the camera just needs to be replaced. So I'm gonna attempt to do that right now. I ordered a replacement camera from eBay, and yeah, let's go get it done. All right, so this is where the reverse camera is located, right back here. You can see the tail light, the license plate lights, the same place where those are mounted. And what we're gonna need to do is go up under here and remove this torque right here and this one right here, and I believe this whole thing should clip off. I'm trying to do this with one hand here, guys. Can you bear with me? Alright. So this here is the replacement camera. So it's got that main male connector right there and that small one right there. This clip right here, guys, make sure you guys don't pull it out, so just be careful. That's the light for right here. You guys want to be sure to hold that thing up and then clip that off, hook it up, and then coming in here, and we want to get, well, there should have been a nut there, so it's not there, guys. Just look, you'll see the rear wiper motor, and then there'll be a nut right in that hole just above it, below it, and you guys are gonna have to remove that one, and I'll show you why right now. So that one nut I was showing you guys, so basically it's just a safety, so no one can just come and remove these screws right here and just remove to take your camera, right? So what I'm gonna do here now is just a T25, guys. And should be able to get this out just like that. Oh. Alright, so I'm gonna take off my license plate holder just because it's kind of like interfering with this thing coming down. This one as well. So we want to pull back on that red clip right there. Pull it back and press. Come on. Press it. Oh.
1 hour later.
There we go. Woo! Alright, so once we get that down, we'll close it down. So we got this thing. We'll push these through right here, guys. Just push them through the hole, just so they're clear. We don't have to deal with them once we go down. There we go. That'll come out here. Oh no. Flat screwdriver. I'm gonna push, see, come close, push that up like that, that in there, and that on there, geez, just like that, out, uh-oh. So what you're gonna need right here is a T25 to get this bad boy out. Oh, maybe not, wrong one, guys. So it's gonna be the T20. Now, the thing is, I don't know if this thing, if it matters if it's upside down or not. But from what I see is that those, where you screw it in, it's offsetted a little. If you notice, this one's a little higher than this one, and it's the same on this side. So I don't know if that's what I need to do, or do I need to turn it this way? Oh Lord. First, let's plug this in and let's see what we get from it before I do anything else. What I'm gonna do is plug the camera in. Come to the front and we're gonna check camera work. Voila, look at that. She's a build, guys. Now it's not set up properly. Now I can tell which way is straight up and which way is upside down. Alright guys, I don't know the best way to tell you, but once you got your camera, because there's no markings on here to tell you like which direction to put the camera. I'm not sure which side. So what I did was I plugged my camera in and I held it up, and I realized that I need to put it in this way. So what you're gonna need to do is maybe plug your camera in, stand up in the back, get someone to hold the brake for you, put it in reverse, chock the wheel. You don't have to start the car. Just put it in reverse, get it in reverse, and you'll know which way you need to. Then obviously you're gonna use a little bit of physics and figure out which way you're gonna need to mount the camera in. So I know I need to turn mine this way with the wires facing this way, but it's funny because this one was mounted with the wire facing that way, and now my wire is gonna face the opposite way for it to be straight, for my cameras to be facing up and in the correct position. So we'll get it done regardless, and we'll see what it is. So just make sure, keep that in mind, guys, to plug your camera in at first and see which way you're gonna need the correct way you're gonna need to mount this thing, and that way you can put it into the housing in the correct position and you don't have to go over your work again. So I got it in, and I'm gonna mount this in just like that. Put that in. One. There we got two. I'm gonna plug this guy in here. That's where he belongs. And that's just power for your license plate lights, guys. And then we're gonna get our backup in there. So you get these two connectors, and you kind of just tuck them back in the hole from out here, because they're gonna be hard to get from through the hole. And don't forget to put this thing back into the hole, otherwise you won't be able to open your lock. Tug on it. Come on this side. So you put that bad boy right back in there. We'll slide up, slide him over, and stick him in. Oh no, we have issues, guys. Issues. I'm gonna have to reroute this wire here. So this wire, see this? If I push it up, those wires right there are gonna like get squashed. So what you wanna do is take these and put them on the other side of that. Kind of like that. Just like that. Got her up in there. Try not to like squish in with the wires. Just there we go. There we get her shoes. Just gonna put two of them in there for now, just cause I want to double check if that camera is mounted properly. And then if it is, I'll go ahead and finish bolting everything up. There's our wire for our camera. We're gonna plug it back in, like so. That's my little one, you know, my little pumpkin. she doesn't get her own way, she yells until she gets her own way. Hey boy! Alright, I don't think this is gonna work again, but we can give it a try. Oh, there we go. It's good, y'all. It's good. All right, now that we've got that plugged in, let's go double check this thing. Look at that, y'all. It's perfect. Now that's what I'm talking about. She's a beaut. Don't kill anyone. Be safe, y'all. All right, y'all, that's it. I'm just gonna get this thing bolted up, and yeah, just make sure we put everything back together. Don't forget to plug in your light for the panel. Just gonna bolt everything back up, and you know, it's the same thing, the vice versa. Just go backwards. I don't want to make this video too long. If you guys find this video helpful, be sure to subscribe and like it, man. Yeah, man. Glad I was able to help you guys. Peace.